Hey everybody, welcome back. We're moving on to the next portion.
The atmosphere is tense as Team Darkstar makes their way through Delta Block.
Last time we got one of my bots. And oh, is there a dude in there? 7. I think there's a dude in there. Let's see if we can... Yes, we can. That was a resounding yes. Take over.
Ore blocks before they can open the gate to Delta Block.
Brave soldiers, they coming at me. Is everything just coming down this hallway? Because that's mighty. Wow, look at the range on that.
Don't forget to order that Red Zone home game. Ratchet's performance has been impressive. I don't believe we've ever had a contestant make it this far through the Miraxis prison.
And I sincerely hope it never happens again.
Oh, you're sticking around. Or are you? You're confusing me right now. Yes, you are sticking around. Okay. That was the worst EMP I've ever seen. Closer. Get him.
Look, his bots are down. He's gonna die.
Get it. Yes.
We need to take down that shot. The EMP should do the trick.
Whoa. Can I fire through this?
Ratchet is bumping off baddies left and right.
Do I need to go this way? No, mine. Whoa. Never mind, I guess this is not a big deal. I don't want to break that thing and have it go to my turret instead of to me. There's got to be something up here. Right? Like there's got to be... Oh, I was supposed to go that way. Or was that a secret way? I don't know. I don't know, whatever. Let's go. Rescue Bot 2.
What do you think, Juanita? Does Ratchet have what it takes to make it through
Look
Delta
how
Block
many of those
and
turrets
rescue
there
that
are. There's a
last
crap
combat
load of
bot?
them.
The question is, could he do it with a King Amoeboid eating its way out of his underwear? I think we'd all like to find out.
I don't know what that is, Juanita, but you leave your crazy thoughts to yourself. Boy, this is easy. I can't see that guy, but I wonder if the Hunter Mine Launcher does. Yes, he does. Yes. Shit! I didn't mean to do that.
Run, Ratchet, run!
None of these guys are popping up.
Ratchet, I have spliced through communications. I will be short, as this could be traceable. Stand on the buttons to lower the containment cell. I will try to contact.
Whoa. I'm gonna get hit. Whoop! I didn't. I'm a pro.
Ratchet's got this match on ice, ladies and gentlemen. The juice is cold, and the generic Brand X gelatin is definitely jiggling.
Ow. Wait, now what else would be good here? The middle turret launcher. It's very nice of all these things to not pop up.
Wow, he's freed the second bot.
Thank you, sir. I'd kiss you, but I don't have lips.
Yeah, that's good. You're fine.
Soldiers, commence fire!
Ow. Yeah. Up to 100. Start out at 50. I'm not gonna brag, but that's... Whoa! Those have an AoE. That hits through that shield. Whoa! Oh! 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 Do I still get my bot? No.
My trigger. Finger's getting itchy.
I don't. Just let me swap to the weapon I want. It's like playing peekaboo. Okay.
Ratchet, I have spliced through communications. I will be short, as this could be traceable. Stand on the buttons to lower...
Stand on the buttons to I stopped listening.
You know, I gotta get me one of those battle suits, Juanita. And that Lombax is terminating with extreme prejudice. It's a good thing we're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, aren't we?
Alright. So now we know this thing isn't going to save us from everything. Just from most things. 2,000. My god.
Soldiers, commence fire!
This thing's almost max level. 10 is as high as they get. I wonder if instead of trying to be sneaky, if I was just being deadly. Whoa. Whoa, what is he shooting at? Oh, safety. Okay, is that everything? That certainly is not. Oh, finally.
I'm totally blown away. That was, without a doubt, one of the greatest performances in the history of Dread Zone.
See, he says stuff that makes it sound like he's actually on the side. I thought I couldn't just walk through that. Am I done here? I would say I am. Got another black medal. Got 8 out of 15. That's not bad. So let's take a look at what...
Ratchet,
Got
you now
2.
rank high enough to compete in Battle Dome's Liberator Tournament.
Okay.
Most heroes never finish this.
This is another race
We're
thing.
back with a grueling test of reflexes and nerve. Ratchet has 2 alternatives in this lethal desert race. He can drive through each checkpoint under the time limit, or he can end up splattered across this hellish wasteland like a carton of Lombax yogurt.
Back. Wow, I'm at half-life, I didn't realize.
Folks, I hope everybody's pee-pee because we're not breaking for commercial anytime soon.
Also, I've got 6 seconds left. 2, oh my god. Oh! Oh, jeez! How in the world do I go faster? Just gotta go. There's no way to go faster than the way I'm going. Other than to like hit that sick jump better. Dude, I don't think I can't go any faster. What do they want from me? Oh! Oh, that was the last one right there. Oh, okay. Go. We just need to go right off the bat. Go. Concentrating so hard on just holding forward. But like to turn, I have to not be pressing. Well, we'll try that shit. Back. I'm just gonna wait. I need a retry function. Oh, maybe if I run into these things, I could die. Well, what? Either way. Okay. Damn it! Really? Damn it! I'm just gonna die. If it's gonna be that close, there's no way. Okay. Let's do it right this time. Take 5. Ow. Ow. Five under the bridge.
Ratchet's driving like a Tempest Blix beast with a death wish.
Driving like a what? Make it. Ah! Ah! Really? Right there again? Ah, last try. Let's try before, fuck it, this thing, I just need half a second longer. so hard. Last time I was at 5 seconds under this thing, so I'm at 6 now. It's bad, as long as I don't fuck up. Nobody say anything. Swear to God. Ugh! Okay. God. That was tough. Okay. Landstalker destroy required amount of targets. Is this a...
We
Yes.
just can't get enough
Yes
of this
is
place.
answer my
Get
question.
ready for a no-holds-barred Landstalker death duel. Don't forget, Ratchet will have to keep an eye out for bonus targets that can boost his score.
I see you over there, Bonus. Oh, that was a huge jackpot, I just realized. That was a lot of jackpot.
This creature is clearly much too dangerous to be set free. He must be destroyed.
Christ, look how many of these things there are. Wonder if there's a jackpot thing somewhere like behind. Kinda looks like no, but they always hide them in sneaky areas. I don't want to say anything and eat my words about how easy or hard. Oh, okay, there's a jackpot. It's looking like I'm gonna be fine. Damn it, I said it again. There's 2 jackpot mods right here. There's 2 of them. How much time I have? Plus I got all those things. Look, I'm decently close. Still have a lot of jackpot time. Yeah, this one I got it. Oh, there's a jackpot. How much easier this one is than the other one. I think they just kicked this one's ass. Look at that. That one's easy. On the other planet, it's fucking impossible. Alright, let's head here. Pretty sure there's going to be some sort of cinematic. So, yes. And then we're gonna end it for the day.
Shell shock, reactor, and now eviscerator. Cut down in their prime. Victims of that loathsome little lombax. But just who is this Ratchet?
Our Vox News investigation has uncovered shocking, untold stories from his dark, sinister, evil past. The destruction of civic property, illegal hoverbike gangs, inadequate dental hygiene.
Be strong, Juanita, because there is one man that can put an end to this menace. Ace Hardlight.
Ace Hardlight fans, prepare yourselves. I'm gonna make this one messy. We'll see who the real hero is. When I'm through with that furry freak, nobody's even gonna remember who he was.
Thank you, Ace. The galaxy is rooting for you. We're all rooting for you.
Thanks, babe.
I like how he addresses them as Ace Hardlight fans. Like, I don't think of anyone else who addresses them as, you know, like that, using their own name as fans. Just like, hey people, hey, how about hey viewers? That's who he's worried about, right? Alright, don't think there's anything interesting in here. For like the 50th time that I've checked. Another wrench upgrade, but the last one said it was... Okay, see, the Megan Obsidian Blade is an experimental super weapon created by Vox Laboratories. Its core is comprised of Vorpal matter taken from the center of an H-class black hole. Though it takes the form of an innocent household tool, it is one of the most coveted and feared weapons in the galaxy. So my last one was flaming. So... how could it... it's still just flaming. Alright, wrench upgrade. Here we go. That's going to be it for today. Tomorrow, or I don't know, in a while, we'll go for the last tournament and deal with Ace Hardlight. So, see you then.